laundromat over there. What's up behind there? You hit a piece of Stone Mountain?
What?
You hit a piece of Stone Mountain? John, you're to the right.
I'll be alright over there.
Good news is you missed the sand.
It's the first one I've kind of got a slice on today.
Let's go, Raghead.
Sorry if I wait for the nice hole, I guess. Is that right?
Well, that sucked. David hurt my feelings, called me a raghead.
He likes to work that dang park path. He's gonna be all
It's
the way
still
up to the
rolling.
rocks. That's the second hole you worked the cart path.
Still going.
Dang, I might have hit that guy down there. I know there's somebody still down there.
Pitiful. See if you can find mine when you go over in there. Cause I ain't going over in there. I buy them Walmart balls. I think they're called not worth looking for X out. Uh-oh. Which one of them you think will be easier to find?
Fucking Scottish people.
I think this one over here will be easier to find.
I'm Scottish.
Here, stand right here in front of the camera. That's right here. Don't do nothing.
It's a stupid damn game and should have never been invented.
There you go, Mr. 4-iron.
Looking good.
Right down the middle. Go and stand there and admire it another 5-10 minutes or so. There you go. Do the funky chicken.